what you've seen from this company is a significant investment or maintaining of our investment in the technology and new products. And I think that is a testament of the fact that we still maintained our focus on the future and what it's going to take to make us not a commodity, but a company that drives technology and advancements in the core products that we service and sell. And I think one of the keys to this, you saw it at Mid-America Truck Show. We launched the 14X tandem axle. You've seen us in the press with our hybrid-powered vehicles, where we've had the governor and quite a few U.S. representatives come to our Troy facility to test drive this vehicle. You see us promoting and advancing roll stability and on-card systems for trailers. And you'll see us as well introducing an entirely new line of off-highway axles, which we rolled out at Bauma Off-Highway Show in Hanover about a week ago. On top of that, what we're here today to talk about is the MTA launch, which is really a product that was developed over probably the last 18 months. It's gone through a significant amount of testing. It contains a significant amount of features and benefits. We're built on the principles of the sales and service investment required to support our products that we produce here in Frankfort, Kentucky. We manufacture here, we assemble here, we engineer here.
I'd like to introduce formally the MTA suspension series. It's the Meritor trailing arm air ride suspension. It's a full family of suspension models service the entire vocational market. The vocational market is really where we were targeting, and you can see here the applications that this product is suited for. Tank trailers, grain trailers, flatbeds, low beds, low boys, livestock trailers, logging trailers, you name it. Anything in that tough vocational market, be it in the US, Canada, or Mexico, this series is designed to handle. It's an integrated axle suspension system, which means that we've designed the suspension components integral to the Meritor trailer axle. And again, it's the same genuine Meritor trailer axle that we've been providing into this market for decades. World-class durability, 80% more durable product than comparable models in the market, and at the same time provide the best-in-class ride and handling. The MTA really completes the Arvin Meritor air suspension portfolio. As far as timing goes, the first model you see here, the MTA 23, will be production launched in the fall of 2010. Following that, the rest of the model family will come on board. So the 25 and the 30,000 pound models will come online shortly thereafter by the end of 2010. And then the low mount models, the 25 and 30 first and the 23,000 pound to follow, will come online in the summer of 2011.
The objective is to build a best-in-class trailing arm suspension. We have a bracket that either welded or is bolted to the structure of the trailer. From that, the trailing arms come on down, and that's what allows the suspension to articulate as it's going down the highway. We have specially designed a multifunctional bushing. You want the suspension to be soft on a vertical axis, and it needs to be firm on a horizontal axis. How do we attain that softness? In the specially designed multifunctional bushing, we have unique voids in the bushing, in the rubber itself. It's specifically positioned so that allows that movement of those arms up and down going down the highway. The firmness is from the inner leaf metal shims that we have added to the bushing on either side. What can be the best joint between that trailing arm and that axle beam? The wrap design are two pieces of metal that encompass the entire axle tube itself, the beam. So how do we attach that? We robotically weld that non-circular opening, those three non-circular openings. We do not have a weld that goes end to end, start to stop. Why is that? When you start and stop a weld, you increase the stress area. Massive shock dampening system. The valving in here is specially tuned for the suspension. We use an 11-inch, 7/8 inch grade 8 bolt passing through the shock absorber, passing through the trailing arm, and passing through the hanger bracket, torqued to a high torque and giving not only the stability of the dampening system, but adding more stability to the reliability and durability of the product itself. It's a Meritor axle, the leading one in the industry. And what else does it come with? It comes with a Meritor brake. So this can easily go to the OEs right now and package where the other competitors' products are. The lightest trailing arm suspension in the industry. You're looking at it.